8 algebraic identities. In tutorial 6.3, 8.1, 9.1 we discussed the 8 algebraic identities that help us to simplify various algebraic expressions, including algebraic fractions. It is already known that the 8 algebraic identities are 1. The square of a sum. We have the following as shown on screen. 2. The square of a difference. We have the following as shown on screen. 3. The difference of squares. We have the following as shown on screen. 4. The cube of a sum. We have the following as shown on screen. 5. The cube of a difference. We have the following as shown on screen. 6. The sum of cubes. We have the following as shown on screen. 7. The difference of cubes. We have the following as shown on screen. 8. The square of a sum of 3 terms. We have the following as shown on screen. Actually, the identities in algebra are much more than 8, but we have considered only the most representatives of them. For example, there is another algebraic identity that involves the square of the difference of 3 terms. We have the following as shown on screen. Indeed, we have the following shown on screen. And so on. The common feature of all the previous algebraic identities, and many more, is that they are true for every value of the variables involved. Hence the name algebraic identities. To make the distinction between an equation and an identity, we often use the symbol equals for equations and for identities. Hence, the mathematical sentence, we have the following as shown on screen. Is an identity, as it contains the symbol, to represent the relationship between the expressions in the two sides. Example. Prove that x minus 2, x squared plus 2x plus 4, equals x cubed minus 8 is an identity. Solution. All we need to do is to expand the expression on the left side and check whether all variables, coefficients and constants cancel out when sending everything on the same side. Thus, we have the following as shown on screen. Now it is clear that we are dealing with an identity. However, let's complete our task properly, that is, let's send everything on the left side. Thus, we have the following as shown on screen. Now, we can confirm that we have the following as shown on screen. Beware of the symbol we have used to express the identity. That is all for lesson 9.3.4. To continue this tutorial, please watch 9.3.5, Solving by Proof. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.